Welcome to the School District 5 of Lexington and Richland County's Choice and Magnet application demo. Here we will show you how to access the Choice and Magnet application and what to expect when completing the application for your student. From the district website, go to the quick links on the left-hand side of the screen. Then click Choice and Magnet options. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the icon that says Apply. Or, to go directly to the site, go to d5choiceapp.com in your browser. Once on the platform, you can select another language if needed prior to creating an account and/or completing the application. If you have completed an application in the past, please log in with your username and password. If you do not remember your password, you can click Forgot Password. If you do not remember your username, please reach out to the Magnet office at 803-476-8260 or aneal@lexrich5.org. If you have never completed an application on this website before, then you will need to create an account. To create an account, complete the information on the right-hand side of the screen and click Create an Account. Once you log in, you're on the dashboard. This is where you can start a new application or check on the application status at any time. To begin an application for your student, select the link that says Start a New Application. To apply for Choice and Magnet, select the link that says Begin Choice Application. Before you start the application, we have a little bit of housekeeping. Please read all directions carefully and proceed. If your student is currently attending a School District 5 school, then select Yes in question I-2. You may use their student ID and other identifying information to pre-fill student and guardian information by selecting Yes again in question I-3. If you do not have access to the student ID, you may select No in question I-3 and continue without it. If your student does not currently attend a School District 5 school, then select No in question I-2 and continue to the next question. In question I-8, we ask that you read our requirements and policies and confirm that you have read and agreed to them. Once you select the checkbox, you may click Continue to Application to move on. Now you are in the application. The first section is Student Information. Please carefully complete the information about your student. If you were able to use the student ID, many of these fields may be filled. Please review this information for accuracy. If any information is incorrect, please reach out to your student's current school's registrar to update that information. If you have a mailing address that differs from your home address, then there is an opportunity to complete that information. The last questions on the student information page is race and ethnicity. This is used for federal reporting purposes only. Once this section is complete, you may click Continue. The next section is Guardian Information. Similar to the last section, if you use the student ID, many of these fields may be filled. Please review this information for accuracy. We will use this information to contact you with any status updates, offer notifications, reminders, or questions. The last question in this section is how did you hear about the District 5 Choice programs? By answering this question, you are helping us understand the best ways to communicate and interact with the School District 5 community. Once you complete this question, you may click Continue. The next section is School Selection. This is where you will rank the magnet schools or schools of choice that you would like your student to be considered for in the lottery. If you only want to select one choice, you may select your first choice and leave the second choice blank. As a reminder, your student will have a spot at their zoned school. Once you have ranked your choices, click Continue. The next section is Siblings. In this section, you will be able to indicate if your student already has a sibling attending the school you are applying, or if your student has a sibling who is currently applying for the school you are applying. To complete this section, you need first name, last name, current school, and current grade for your student's sibling. Once complete, click Continue. The next section is Signatures. Please read the statement carefully and then electronically sign the application with your full name and click Continue. The next section is Review and Send. Please review your student's application carefully and completely. Once you are satisfied that all information is accurate, please click Send My Application. There will be a pop-up asking you to confirm that you are ready to submit your application. If you are, click OK. Now your application is complete. Read the next steps and expect an email from the system detailing the same information and confirming your application was received. If you have additional students you plan to complete an application for, and select Fill out another application. If you're done, you can click My Dashboard to see the status of your student's application. Once the lottery is run, you will be able to check your students' offers here and accept or decline them in this dashboard. Thank you so much for watching. If you still have questions or concerns regarding the application process, please reach out to the Magnet office at 803-476-8260 or aneal@lexrich5.org.